Okay guys, before we get into the video, we are going to have to do some research on this house. So this is it in June 2015 on Google Maps. Just go down the drive, there it is, and here's the entrance. Very bushy down here. See that window's open, which is kind of weird. What we can do, which I just found out, change it to a different date. Right, here we go, 2010 April. This is it. There's less bushes around here and here. Look at how yellow that bin is compared to 2015, damn. The sign. If I can read the camera. Alright, that's as close as I can get, as you can see. That's it, that's what it's called. I can't read it. I can't read it. I can't read that, but I'm gonna have to go up there again one time, maybe, and check it out. Railings here. Very done up back then. This time it's blurred out. In operation, and it's got stuff in it. Whoa, what did I do? What? Oh my god, there's a void. Arrgh! This is the house we're exploring today. Shit. We're here.
Right, should we see the basement first?
We're going in the basement first. Well, I'm going in first, and then
Yeah, you are.
we'll put this in the back.
Yeah.
Just don't want to melt my wagon wheels. Oh god. Then just behind, we've decided not to go in the basement there. The door's open this time.
No, it's always been open.
Somebody broke some windows over here, and now the builder men are getting very suspicious of it. So we got to kind of, you know,
Oh, right there. It goes like past. Couldn't see you.
legit. Someone broke a window. Look, this mattress right here. Whoa! Look at this. Someone broke the bloody window. Just went round and threw rocks at windows. Right next to these houses down here, which you can't see, but
complete idiots.
the house right there. You see the roof and stuff. But
It's a shame that this place was abandoned, to be fair. Like, this could have been a great house.
yeah, but we wouldn't have gone in because like old people home.
Yeah, but imagine owning this house.
Where are we going first then? The roof or in there or?
We'll show them the view from the roof. Is the window still open?
And then we'll be back
Okay.
inside.
Oh no, it's
Someone has wrecked this up.
somebody shut it.
And someone thought it's smart to do that to all the windows. Yeah. This used to be not all broken. Now it's just like
If you can get to there.
down.
Well, I've got more waterproof socks if we
Like
have to.
everyone's breaking the windows. Yeah. Fishing socks.
Yeah, because I knew we might have to. Because in the basement it might be flooded. But we're not going in the basement.
Car.
Look at that fucking the windmill all the way over there.
This for you.
Do you see it?
Where?
A massive windmill all the way
Oh
over
yeah. See that windmill? Yeah, and this is the front of the house from the roof. I'm just grabbing on.
there. Nothing.
Nothing really much.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hear a car. Let me get down. Oh my god.
If you can get to over there.
Yeah, I can.
Wait, maybe climb on there, because then you got that as a ledge. So it won't
Oh
fall
yeah.
off. Maybe. It'll work. That sounded like it's breaking.
Oh my god. Jesus.
Over there.
Yeah, this massive hole, I'm gonna go check it out. Just have to go over here to miss the water, and then got to go on that, so. Slide and jump. Damn, look at this. It's actually much lighter on my phone for some reason. Normally the phone's bad with light, but that's the inside of this hole. Stepping on tiles. This is the side of the house that we went in by. We've had enough time on the roof. Now it's time to go inside. And we are in. We actually went here yesterday. No, 2 days ago. Dear.
Oh no one's looking though. Which one are we looking?
I hate it when cars come down this path. Let's get out of there. It's just a bunch of toilets and stuff.
Somebody's hair.
Somebody's hair, that's nice.
You go first. Oh, thank you. How considerate.
Hold on, bro. Oh, the elevator.
Batman.
Oh, Ben loves Batman.
No, bath mat.
Oh, damn it.
What's in that cupboard?
I'm not going in any of the toilets, because that is just disgusting. What cupboard? This one?
Oh, just African green.
Electric.
Oh,
Right, I want to see this. Oh, junk. Just spray stuff. Yeah, look, someone's smashing the windows. If you're watching now and you know who this
someone's
is.
sleeping here.
Yeah.
This is what?
Oh my god, Jesus. Wait, shouldn't smash this window. Look at this view, man. Oh my goodness. Are we going down these stairs now? The absolutely decent, clean bit.
Is this what blocked off?
No, it's not.
That door's not blocked off. You look then.
So I'm hearing other footsteps outside this way.
It's just cows. Push it and pull it.
I'm gonna get my finger in there. I just feel like
Somebody just
bites.
Imagine somebody just grabs it. That should be open.
Well, there's no window, so yeah. Let's go to the next bit. No. Alright, we are now going through this window here. This is actually pretty high up. Like, this is my knee as high as it can go. The hell?
Maybe you just crawl up it.
I'm gonna go through.
You gonna go first?
Yep. Record the top.
Don't worry. It's got loads of carpet mats and stuff like that. Careful. Don't go in too quickly because you don't want to hit your head on the glass.
This door's closed. And it was a broken thing.
Yeah.
That's the basement. Of course, with the window broken. Why not? That's so. It's like wet in here.
Tell me about it.
Who's gone through here? Smashed every single fucking thing. Whoever you are out there, you are not very smart. Just saying. I remember this place.
What's that?
This is more hype, but this is more creepy. I swear we heard voices out there.
We did.
This is the front door, I remember this.
We have.
It's just the house. Same stuff. There's a lot
We
of...
have moved to Haverley. That's all it says.
It says on the door there, we moved to Haverley. There's... When we came through here, this bit, for some reason there's train seats out
Wait.
there.
No, that's car seats.
No, that's got to be train.
No,
because that
because
looks like...
trains don't have seat belts.
Oh yeah, well done, Alfie.
That window doesn't open.
Right, let's go through the biggest part of the house. Let's do this. Yep, on there it says we have moved to Haverley, and it's got the number and stuff. Got this place, nothing really much. I'm still shaking because look at the voices.
Shall we go upstairs?
Yeah, sure.
There's a fish tank there.
If I want to do something.
There's dripping water.
Let's go up. There's nothing much.
Come on.
We gotta be a bit quick about being inside the house. Oh yeah, I can feel the dripping water. That's pretty scary.
Yeah, that's dripping water.
So that hole we can see through the roof. So I'm just gonna put this down here for proof that we actually went through the abandoned house today. But just there, okay. Right, we're upstairs now. Ugh, it's all smudgy and... Whoa! Cane. Crutch. Crutch, yeah. That's pretty good. Cancer crutch. Yeah, crutch, I'll give you cancer. Leave that there. Outside again. I don't want to touch any of the windows anymore because they're really dirty. There's no toilet. Purse. Random mattresses and chairs. Old splits. Oh God, Jesus Christ.
Lemonade.
Lemonade?
Bakery bag from Lidl.
Who came up here just to hang out? Who would like this view?
Stoners.
Ah, lovely, lovely chair, lovely view.
Lovely spliff.
You can even watch your mate taking a poo. That's great. There's actually a chair facing the toilet in there. That's pretty creepy. Oh, there's a toilet in that one. Oh boy. Do you reckon the showers still work?
Oh, look at the roof.
Oh.
I don't want to stay here, look at the roof.
I think. Oh my God. Like, how does this even happen? I want to see. There's a radio.
Every year it just gets worse and worse.
This older radio.
It's not that old.
Supposed to be old to me. And the houses and lovely, lovely dirty windows. All the upstairs windows we might as well just keep open because, I mean, no one's going to hear us and no one's really going to
Oh, there's piss there.
climb through. What is that?
Should we just go now?
Ugh. It's not any smell or anything, just the thinking of like literal.
Why is there so much Lucozade?
I don't know, it's Barbara's room. Maybe she was a fan of tinsel and
Lucozade.
Lucozade.
My granny actually liked Lucozade a lot.
One like equals
Oh, should we get that?
one granny.
Let's go down.
I think you should go.
Go down there and get that newspaper.
Like this video if you love your nan or grandma or granny or whatever you call it. Your nanma.
Give the alarm immediately. What do you mean, give the alarm?
There you go. There
Look.
you go, Kara Steve. MK.
If you know that, if you know who that's by, I respect you. Who made the plastics? Let's read the date.
That is scary. That looks like a face.
Wait, no!
That thing
May
there
1st, 2008.
looks like a face. Oh, got this guy.
Why does it look so old?
Because that...
If it's, yeah, but it's only 2008.
That's 10 years ago.
No. Yeah.
No, legit, but that looks like a face. And that looks like a toilet.
When I look at my school books from 10 years ago, they're not all bloody brown.
Yeah, because they're not in an abandoned house.
Richie.
Right, this is weird.
Turn your light on.
Yeah, I've turned the flash on. The lounge! Oh, my favourite bit.
I thought I wouldn't open it.
Oh yeah, remember when we pressed these and the red light went on? Nah, it doesn't work. I think they turned off the power. There used to be so many chairs in here, remember?
That's why Bill thought it found for.
Oh yeah, we were like, oh yeah, we should take this. We should take this.
Holy fucking shit.
Whoa. I keep thinking that horses are humans.
Man, this is
very
a fucking
neat.
sword.
This.
It's not, but
It's
like a sword.
like a sword. Oh, no way.
Yeah, there.
Should I go? Really quick. Oh, lovely day out today on the roof. It's not much, it's just really cool roof. I've got some...
You heard the dog, right?
Yeah, lovely artwork. Everyone's here for the artwork, I was. Just a bath time.
Come on, quickly.
Kitty's room.
Quickly.
Where's Gymnast gone?
Did bench presses.
Yeah, Gymnast. Shut up.
Shut up. Shush.
Oh my god. I'm leaving now. Oh yeah. Before everyone started smashing stuff because they're dumb. This was smashed before, when we first came in here.
Right, can we go now? Quick. Alfie, if she did call the police, they'll be here within like 3 minutes. Now let's go.
Quickly, boom, look, little room, wow. Just a quick little explore. Wow, I don't know,
Cheese puffs.
cheese puffs, yeah, man. They're not actually cheese puffs, but...
They are.
Whoa, a witch melted into the ground here, and someone took a poo.
Let's go.
As old as Summerfield. That's been there since we've been here, like last year.
It's been there since...
Is that door open now? Oh no, they boarded it off.
Can you not see?
We actually opened this door with like tools. Jesus, did we?
No, you're not weird.
Someone was playing chess. Right, let's go back on the roof now. So we can't go through there because we just don't want to. You can go here for yourself if you want. And this is closed off so you can't go through. This is the whole door. We're going back through the mattress window. Yeah, with this. Ow. Anyway, yeah, we're going back on the roof on the parts I promised that I would explore. Anyway. You're enjoying yourselves on the video. I hope you bloody are. Because
Alright, don't threaten me.
I'll kill you otherwise. You piece of... Burn! Leave a like. No, don't actually leave a like. For that reason.
Leave it this way.
I don't know. Isn't it though?
Alfie's never tried coffee.
I've never tried coffee actually. Yeah, isn't it though? Isn't it swore like a sailor?
No, it swore like a...
It's not a trooper, it's not a soldier,
He
it's a
swears like
sailor.
trooper.
It's sailor. Alright, I'm gonna go up there now. Let's do this.
Ah!
Like last time, have you actually been up?
No.
Right.
I'm slipping down.
Anyway, I'm up here, hello.
My shoes are too wet.
Went down here.
Can you help me? Can you just like grab onto there and help me up?
Okay, fine.
My shoes are so wet.
Let me drop down my bag.
I've actually dipped in the water a little bit.
What house was it? That one? The one that, we can't really see it because the sun. Or I
So
can't
many
see it,
abandoned
the sun.
houses up here.
Yes. Like the train station's a bit abandoned. My hand is red raw from the heat today. Jesus Christ, it is warm.
In England.
In England, what a surprise.
Come on!
How am I going to help you?
Just hold on to the gutter. Pull me up.
Oh my god, I'm going to slip. I have to be on the tiles there. Right.
The tiles are not slipping.
I'm going to help Ben up now, so bye. Thought I heard someone. Apparently, Ben is not sweating hot right there. Look, he's in a hoodie, and the sun.
And I have a lot more hair than Alfie.
There's someone actually there. Look. Don't know if you saw them, but there was someone there. I can't see the camera right now because it's so sunny. Right, I just climbed up there. I had to wear gloves because it really hurts. No, my wagon wheel! No, don't you dare. Me and my wagon wheel's gone through so much together. If there's a cyclist over there, if a car comes past or a person, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to come down here and just like hold on so tight over behind this. They're gonna see my look say bottle, but I don't care. If I fall, hopefully I'm gonna slide down here to there. Just don't know. Okay. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Oh my god, that roof is boiling hot. I'm gonna. My wagon. It hit the fucking bar. You threw away my wagon wheel.
I ate half of it.
Even worse, I can't even retrieve it and have the full experience of a wagon wheel. I'm gonna put on my glove to put my hand on this roof. It's so boiling hot.
I don't actually like wagon wheel.
Oh, okay. Why'd you eat it then? I guess I got more pleasure out of that.
It's too cold. Look, you're wearing gloves. This is so cold.
Oh my god. What do you mean it's too cold? Right, I was just about to end up the video. We just about got caught. Like, we heard a voice shouting over someone asking, why are you up here and stuff like that. So we just ran off as fast as we could. He hasn't followed us up down the path.
Okay guys, that is the end of all the clips I've managed to record. There isn't really much else to say. I might make another video on like reviewing this video, why some parts were cut out, or just answering questions. If you've got any, comment down below. And just talking about other stuff about the video that I want to share, and hopefully it doesn't get taken down like the other abandoned house videos. And can we hit 5 likes on the video? I know it's crazy, but I'll talk about this in the next video as well. But because this was over 20 minutes long, and normally my phone can't take up as much space as that, so I had to use my computer. All the times when the video got cut, like when the screen went black, I actually imported that to my computer and then edited the next section of the video. So every time the screen went black, that meant that that was a separate clip. It wasn't all just a full video, it's all clips put together in one. And I'll talk about it in the next video, but can we hit 5 likes on the video? I know it's a lot, but the amount of effort I've put into this, 5 likes. Just give me 5 likes. Easiest. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video.